Hi guys. Hi guys. Where are you guys? Didn't see you guys. Where are you now? Hello sa lahat. Where are you now? Can't see you. Where are you? Ah, there you go. Somebody's still watching here. Hi there, hi there, hi there. It's off. It's off. Oh yeah. Our cheese bread is starting to bubble. Ooh. This looks so good, guys. I'm gonna let you show now. I'm gonna show you guys my cheese bread. And I put look at that, our cheese bread is in there. Looks so yummy. And we have like a little we'll make 3 minutes 3 minutes left, and we can stop our live because I'm gonna prepare our food for dinner now. Thank you all guys for watching this video. Thank you very much for bearing with me. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys, for bearing with me, for staying in this live. Salamat po. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa uulitin. 2 minutes away. 2 minutes. 2 minutes away. I just love this one. Because of the potato, guys, look at it. I'm gonna show you my I'm gonna show you guys what I cook. Because of the potato, it's getting starchy. Here you go. Look at that. It's getting starchy, so this is good partner with our cheese bread. This is our dinner for today. Look at the ribs. Thank you guys all for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Few seconds left. Few seconds left na lang and we're gonna end this live. And our bread is almost ready also, guys. I just love having a soup. That tastes good. Really awesome. Really tastes really good. Fantastic, really good. Tastes really good, guys. Hi. In 5, 4, 3,